Join me today as I take this White Dog corn whiskey and put it in a barrel to age it. We'll see what this tastes like. Stay tuned. So something I've been wanting to do for a while would be to make my own whiskey from some of the people's distillate. So what I have here is 2 bottles of White Dog from West Fork here in Indianapolis. What this is, just unaged whiskey. Unfortunately, they do proof theirs down to 80%. I was hoping to get it at barrel proof, but I wasn't able to, so we're just gonna go ahead and take this, put it in this barrel here. Now this barrel has been wet aged for 24 hours with hot water and then rinsed several times. All right. Let's just go ahead and get our 2 bottles out. See, this is just unaged, clear whiskey. This is 100% corn for their mash. This is a 2-liter barrel. I was going to get a 1-gallon 5-liter, but I didn't want to spend $200 on this for the first time I was trying it, so just went with a cheaper 2-liter barrel. So you're going to need some sort of funnel that will fit into the bung hole here. Make sure this is turned off. And we'll go ahead and get this filled up. Okay, now that all of our whiskey is in this barrel, like I said, this barrel was wet aged for 24 hours with hot water. And that just seals up the inside here to keep any leaks from happening. This did have a small leak, but it stopped after about 20 minutes once the wood got swollen up. This barrel here is a char 3 or a medium char. That's just how much they burn the inside of the barrel before they seal it up. So I'm just going to go ahead and cover up our bunghole with our stopper. Now I'm not completely full on this barrel. I'm probably about right here on it. Might grab another bottle and finish filling this up completely. But one thing you want to do is you do not want to let this sit on a wood surface because you're going to get some loss of vapors. The angel share, and that will dry out any wood surface. So you're going to want to put it on a metal surface or a plastic surface. They do make mats for that so they don't tear up your furniture. But yeah, I'll bring you back here in about 2 weeks. We'll give this a taste, see what it's like after 2 weeks. I imagine it's going to need a month and a half before it's completely ready to go. It's not going to need the 2 to 4 years just because the barrel to liquid ratio is so much in the barrel's favor that it'll age a lot faster. Okay, so our corn whiskey White Dog has been in our barrel here for about a week now. I did go out and buy a 3rd bottle of this just to make sure this got topped off, and then I had some of the original to compare it against. So I'm just going to give this a quick try today. And while I was there, I did pick up, this is their MGP distillate that they aged in their bourbon barrels and then also aged it in rum barrels to finish it. And then this is a MGP distillate that they put their standard bourbon in, gave the barrel to a beer company, and then got the barrel back and then finished the bourbon in that barrel again. Single barrel, and this is a mix of 2 barrels. Yeah, just wanted to, some of the things they do, just go over those real fast. Pour out some of this White Dog into a glass. Not much. And then a bit of this. See if it's changed at all over the first week. There is the slightest bit of color coming out of there compared to the White Dog. That smells like corn vodka. And that tastes like vodka with oak in it. Yeah. Just about what you would expect. It has a little bit of toast on it. Not much change. After a week, it has absorbed some of the oak flavor and a little bit of the color. Not a lot. Alright, so real fast, I want to go ahead and bring you back for the 3-week taste test. I'm going to be gone next week. Probably release a short video just to get something out next week while I'm on vacation. If I don't respond to your comments right away, I understand, I'm on vacation. So this has been 3 weeks today since I put it in this barrel. It started out as this, obviously, from West Fork. Gonna go ahead and pour this a little bit, see if it's changed at all from last week. Last week it had a little bit of color. So. Go ahead and give myself a little pour here, not much at all. Still smells pretty much like vodka to me. Got a little bit of color. It's more than last week for sure. Actually smells like tequila this week for some reason. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. It's really picking up the oak flavors now. More so, there do seem to be a little age. Actually got a little oak chunk in my Glencairn here. Yeah, I won't be back for the 1 month on this. I'll probably go ahead and just wait, do a quick update video at 6 weeks. At that point, might be finished, but it doesn't seem like it's going to be. Probably going to take the full 2 months that I said originally to get this aged correctly. And at that point in time, I do have a beer that I'm brewing that I will then put into this barrel, and I will age the beer for up to a year in this barrel to get the bourbon flavor, or the whiskey flavor. It's not, I can't call it bourbon, it's not. To get the aged whiskey flavor in the beer. And then after that, I might just take a random bourbon from my shelf back here, throw back in the barrel, and have a beer barrel aged bourbon or beer barrel aged whiskey. But hey, while you're watching this, down below, hit the like button, subscribe button, leave me a comment, let me know if there's anything you'd like me to see do with this barrel or another barrel. Be more than happy to do that for you guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out this other amazing video.